Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy data from view-only Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful skill when you need to work with information from a shared spreadsheet but don't have editing permissions. Let's jump right in and see how you can do this quickly. First, you'll want to open the view-only Google Sheet that contains the data you need. Since you don't have editing rights, you might think copying is impossible, but that's not the case. Google Sheets still allows you to select and copy data even when you can't make changes to the original document. Now, the next step is straightforward. Simply highlight the data you want to copy, click and drag your mouse across the cells to select them. You can select a single cell, a range of cells, or even an entire column or row, depending on what information you need. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice the cells are highlighted, indicating they're ready to be copied. With your data selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command-C if you're on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut copies the selected data to your clipboard, making it ready to paste elsewhere. It's a simple action, but it's the key to transferring information from a view-only sheet to one where you have full access. Now that your data is copied, it's time to paste it into your own spreadsheet. Open the Google Sheet where you want to place this information. This should be a spreadsheet where you have editing permissions so you can freely work with the data you're bringing over. Click on the cell where you want the copied data to appear. This will be the top left cell of where your pasted data will start. Once you've selected the right cell, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard or Command-V if you're on a Mac. This pastes the data directly into your spreadsheet, maintaining the same formatting and structure from the original view-only sheet, and that's it. You've successfully copied data from a view-only Google Sheet into your own editable spreadsheet. This method works seamlessly regardless of how much data you're copying, making it perfect for pulling information from shared resources while keeping your own organized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.